Ladies and gentlemen, that is story of Chief Wazobia we want talk today. Igbo wife, Hausa wife, Yoruba wife, but the man still the final.
Welcome, husband. Welcome, oh my husband. Send it here. We are here waiting for you now. My husband, let me say for the good news. Let me draw this embers.
My dear beautiful wives, my first wife, Yinka, now I love you. Oyinbo, Popo, now I love you too. Alright, the peacemaker in the family. Alright, and I called you out to discuss something very important.
How come? What is it?
I want to get a fourth wife. I want to marry a fourth wife. Fourth wife.
You are not serious. Megida. A fourth wife?
Yes.
Is it not against the law?
What's boring, bro? What are you saying?
A man that is married to 3 wives already, Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, and he wants to take another wife. You want to cut across the border and marry another wife? I want to go to Ghana.
Yeah.
Is it in Cameroon or Benin Republic? Now where I won't go this time?
Ethiopia.
My husband, you cannot marry a third wife. I am your first wife, and you cannot keep disrespecting me like this. Disrespect, he said. See, he is talking. Haven't you been living off Chief's wealth all these years, doing absolutely nothing? No, what you don't get what kind of rubbish is that? Which money? Are you not eating the money to know which money? What is about Allah? What is that? It is okay. Let's find where I work this thing out. See, I'm sorry. I don't even know what is wrong with you. That your fixed score is like it's only too much shinkafa and the that is in there. It will never happen. See you talking there. See, look at you better keep your mouth shut. You can just respect yourself. Respect yourself. And if I don't, when you get it from me, listen to me. See, no. We will not listen to you. Because you keep doing whatever you like. And without consulting us. Can you imagine that rubbish? Yes. Because you are always favoring this line of family. Yes, always favoring her. Favoring us. Favoring you. Why is that? It is okay. Zero because of your bad character that he wants to take such part. Yes. Take a look at yourself. Because you can get show me how you like him. If you are better than me, you wouldn't have married me. I will show you. If I want to marry, tell what I marry.
I'm an African man. Don't try to satisfy all of you. After my own father married 10 wives. Hello, who is that? Come in.
Chief Mr. Wanko.
Oh, Mr. Wanko. Come in.
What is going on? This place is sounding somehow.
No, there's no problem. It's little disagreement with my wife.
Chief, this does not sound like little disagreement. It sounds like a war front.
It's a no, it's all his fault. Can you imagine? He went to marry a fourth wife.
Chief, fourth wife?
Ladies and gentlemen, that is story of Chief Wazobia we want talk today. Igbo wife, Hausa wife, Yoruba wife, but the man still the fine number 4.